In this video, we are going to show you how to create a basic bot flow in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. To create a basic flow, click on Flows on the panel on the left side of your dashboard. Then click on the Add Flow button, name your flow. Then click on Continue. Double-click on the message block, then choose a message type. In this case, we will choose Messenger. Click on the Add Content button. You may choose among the choices available here. But for this example, we will choose to add text. Type your content here. Then personalize it by adding first name. Add emojis too, to make it more engaging. To add a button, just click Add Button. Add a button title. Then choose your next step when the button is pressed. Let us choose Send Message in this example. Double-click the Send Message text to rename it. Rename the message block. Then click on Save. Now let us choose Get User Data to get information from the user like their email address. Click on the Click to Edit button to make sure you selected the correct reply type and chose the correct custom field. You may delete Skip. This is just optional. Then click Save. Now we want the bot to reply once the user enters an email address. Okay, let's say thank you on this message block. You may also want to show the user the email address they gave you by adding the email custom field on the text. Add a delay to mimic operator as typing. Choose typing to do that. Let's ask one more information from the user. This time, it's the phone number. Click on the Click to Edit button, choose Phone for your reply type, and choose Phone Custom field. You may delete Skip. Again, this is just optional. Alright, for our last block, let us say thank you. Also add GIF to make it more engaging. Search for your desired GIF, then click it to add on the block. Now it's time to publish your flow. Once published, preview your flow, then test it. There you go. We just created a basic bot flow in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video! By the way, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to see more tutorials and valuable guides on digital marketing.